Hi, this is Josh from InfernoWare. Today I am going to be spraying some shield coating on plastic. Yes, the coating is intended for metal. It's great on guns, various different things. I've been spraying bumpers, tree kickers, various parts for side-by-sides. I have sprayed some interior panels, and I want to show how good this coating will work on plastic by installing it on the fender flares of my pickup truck. So I have a set of aftermarket flares here for an F350. These come basically raw plastic with a primer. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just giving it a light scuff with a red Scotch-Brite. I went around, wiped them off with pre-cleaner. What I use is Clean Strip Bulldog adhesion promoter. I'll come over and give them one light coat of adhesion promoter before I go on to the shield. I'm going to be spraying these with a galactic gunmetal. Seems to be the color I've been using a lot of. I like it for its coverage. Seems like 2 coats and I am there. And it also has that look for the factory fender flares that come on the Ford Raptors, and some of that kind of, it's like a silver, has great metallic, but it's also got that mute kind of little bit of a flat look to it when the clouds are on it. But then when the sun hits it, boom. We sprayed Shield Galactic Gunmetal, which is our decorative line of coatings. This coating is scratch resistant, it's hydrophobic, mud doesn't stick to it, it's chemical resistant, still good up to right around 500 degrees. The stuff is easy to spray. I mean, we're using a Harbor Freight paint gun, 1.3 tip to spray this. It took roughly 8 ounces of coating to spray all 4 of these massive fender flares. So whether you're at home spraying race cars, side-by-sides, control arms, you know, whatever it may be, if you have a lift kit in your truck and you don't want to get it powder coated, you want to just put a good durable finish on her, we have many colors to choose from. Just check us out at infernoware.net.